Hello dear students, how are you? Welcome back to the channel Shikshan Mixture. I am your Ravi sir. Today I am going to tell you regarding the recruitment in ordnance factory for the diploma holders for the post of chargeman. So without wasting the time, let us get into the screen. Here is the PDF file that is recruitment of direct recruitment chargeman non-gazetted group B online application. Through this link you can go and apply. Next one is the important dates, that is online registration is from 10/5/2019 and last date for registration, that is closing date, that is 9/6/2019, that is in the month of June. Next, to get the receipt, the last date is 16/6/2019, and for some of the places that are Assam, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, Tripura, Sikkim, Jammu and Kashmir, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, some of the places are given. For that candidates, the last date for receipt is 23/6/2019. And next we go for the vacancy details. And for the first trade, that is mechanical engineering, the unreserved posts will be 456, and for OBC 190, and for SC 126, and ST 73, and for EWS that is 88, and for physically handicapped candidates 13, 15 and 5. And similarly, let us look at for to the information technology 17/6/402. Similarly, for electrical you can look at the vacancies available, that is look at vacancies details, and chemical. And next one is fifth one is civil, and sixth one is metallurgy, seventh one clothing technology, eighth one is leather technology. These are the vacancies for. And the ninth one is non-technical stores and non-technical OTS. Ninth one is automobile and electronics. Automobile has the least number of vacancies there, and electronics. And total vacancies for unreserved is 879, and for OBC 361, for SC 208, and for ST that is 98, and for EWS 158. And the next one is pay scale. Pay scale band is pay band is 9,300 to 34,800, and grade pay will be 4,200 rupees. And next one we look at the eligibility criteria as per the discipline, that is trade, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, civil engineering, automobile engineering and electronics engineering. The candidate should be should be completed 3 years diploma or equivalent in relevant discipline, that is duly approved by AICTE, or the candidate may be also a graduate degree in engineering. The next trade is chemical, metallurgy, clothing technology and leather technology. It is similar, that is the candidate should pass 3 years diploma or equivalent in relevant discipline duly approved by AICTE, or there is option there, the candidate may also be qualified in BSc degree with general chemistry as one of the major subject. The next one is information technology trade. The candidate must pass A level competency certificate course or equivalent qualification in computer science duly recognized by the government of India. And for non-technical stores and non-technical other than stores, the candidate should be a graduate degree in engineering, technical, humanities, science, commerce, law, etc. from a recognized university. There is also a note, that is any higher qualification at bachelor degree, MTech, PG level will also be acceptable. We will look at the fees structure. For the application fees, that is non-refundable, they are mentioned clearly. For the general category students, 100 rupees plus they have to pay 50 rupees as the bank transaction charges to the SBI, and the candidates who belonging to the SC/ST, women and physically handicapped, there is no fees. And for the selection procedure, they have clearly mentioned that selection will be made strictly on the merit of written examination. And next, the important point is there will be no interview personality tests. Next, and this is the question paper, that is examination pattern. 30 marks for general awareness, computer applications, that will be 20 marks. General English including engineering diploma level, that is 30 marks. Engineering in respective trades diploma level, 120 marks. These are the trade I have mentioned here. This is for mechanical, information technology, electrical, civil, automobile and electronics. And the trade chemical, metallurgy, clothing technology, leather technology, it is little bit change over here. That is, they have given the option for or and or in the third point and fourth point. It is clearly mentioned, and the marks have been allotted 30, 20, 30 and 120. Next, for the non-technical also, it is little bit changed. There is basic English as well as English or Hindi, including nothing drafting knowledge skills. Noting drafting, sorry, it is noting drafting knowledge. Next, it is there are the 6 topics for non-technical posts. And if we go next further, if we move in the note, they have given all the questions will be multiple choices, and there will be negative marking, that is 1/4 of the marks allotted for each wrong answer. And the medium of examination you can give in the both, that is English or Hindi. The examination can be written in both in either languages, that is English or Hindi. Next, the steps are given how to apply. There are almost 7 to 8 steps. Okay, you can follow these steps to apply the application for the post of chargeman. Thank you for watching the video.